Your morning cup of joe might cost you more if you prefer Starbucks. The coffee powerhouse is raising prices yet again. Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver is joining us with more on this. And Tyler, why is there a price hike?
Well, we're just finding out that the company's latest earnings failed to meet expectations when it came to profit, despite the fact that revenue, sales, that's up. What's also up, though, is the cost of labor and the cost of goods. We also have problems with Omicron delaying expansion within China, which is Starbucks' fastest growing market. And all it adds up to is the company says it's going to have to raise prices to keep going and get revenue more where it needs to be. Now, this comes after the company already raised prices last month as well as in October. And Starbucks hasn't announced officially yet what menu items will be going up or when, but maybe just keep a look at your wallet. But it speaks again to global inflation that all companies are dealing with right now. So it's kind of a tough go. Maybe savor that cup of joe while you still can.
All right. How about this? There's a decades-long trade dispute that's getting some attention finally. So, Tyler, what's happening with duties on Canadian softwood lumber?
Well, the Americans have agreed to, on average, reduce duties by August. We're looking at average rates right now about 18%. That could go down to 12% in the coming months. So for BC companies like lumber giant Canfor, they'll see combined duty rates drop from about 19% to about 7% in the coming months. BC-based West Fraser Timber, they'll actually see rates go up just a little bit, though. So it's going to be different depending on the company. The industry is relieved, but it doesn't really fully resolve these decades-long issues. The reason the Americans are doing it, though, is because of soaring costs south of the border. They want to get, inflation under control, as well as those housing costs. So question is, how long is this going to last?
Okay, well, I guess we will have to wait and see a little bit further. In the meantime, save up for your coffee. Thanks so much. That's Tyler Orton with Business in Vancouver. Have a great week.
Thanks, Jen.